So you're in the market for a professional softbox diffuser. It needs to be easy to carry, easy to work with, easy to store. Guess what? Stay tuned for the Lastolite Ezybox softbox diffuser kit. Right, let's take a look and see what comes with the Lastolite 24 by 24 hot shoe flash diffuser panel. Now, first you're going to notice that this is the one without the light stand, but guess what? They provide you with a beautiful carrying case for your existing light stand. I mean, look, it has a fantastic strap. This is very well constructed and it makes your life so much easier. And included inside, since this one does not come with the actual light stand, you get an extendable handle for your softbox and flash. Very nice going, Lastolite. Thank you for that. But now let's open up the carrying case, which is very well put together. This makes your life so much simpler. The construction is, of course, top-notch. That makes it easier to take with you everywhere. And here is the actual softbox. Again, it's 24 by 24 inches. And when we open it up, you have all your attachments. So notice how it comes with the flash head adapter and the stand that allows you to connect your flash to it. That way you can put it right onto your light stand or to the handle that they provide. And here we have what looks like, well, yep, it's a brochure with all their other accessories from Lastolite, but they also provide an instructional sheet that shows you how simple this is to assemble, and of course we'll go into that later. And here are your diffusion panels, which has a primary diffusion panel and a secondary baffle that you can also attach very easily on with the provided Velcro connectors. So let's take a closer look at how easy this is to assemble and to work with. All right, so here we have the Lastolite Ezybox 24-inch by 24-inch professional hot shoe softbox diffuser. Now, they do have a smaller size and a larger size. This is their medium lineup. It's fantastic for doing beautiful soft portraiture and group shots, because remember, the bigger the softbox it is, the more diffused the light gets, the softer the light it's going to output. It comes with a front-facing diffuser and an interior baffle if you need even additional diffusion. Now, of course, it's fully lined in a silver reflective surface to give you that even, soft lighting. That way you're going to have the capability of controlling it depending on the shooting situation that you're with. It comes with a speed ring that allows you to attach the softbox easily to your favorite flash. And of course it comes with the hot shoe flash adapter that has the standard connection for the most popular light stands out there. This version does not provide a light stand, but it does have a carrying bag for your convenience, so you can take your favorite light stand with you. And this all folds down to a nice convenient size, which comes with a fantastic storage case, so you can take it with you on the go. That's the beauty of the Ezybox system. It's meant to travel and allows you to shoot in any kind of environment. So the medium size 24 by 24 inch Lastolite softbox diffuser. I hope this video helped you out on how easy it is, henceforth the name, to work with the Lastolite Ezybox hot shoe diffuser in a 24 by 24 inch size. Remember, it is available in other configurations. As always, don't forget to hit us up with that like button underneath and subscribe to the channel so you have access to unboxings, tutorials, and frequently asked questions. And don't forget, when you're visiting the Miami area, come by and say hello at our Digital Goja showroom. Happy shooting.